Ever had that moment where you need cash, but your Venmo balance is staring you down? You've been racking up rewards points, splitting pizzas with friends, and maybe even scored a sweet online garage sale find, all thanks to the convenience of Venmo. But what if you suddenly need those virtual bucks in the real world? Fear not, friend. With a few simple steps, you can transform your Venmo balance into cold, hard cash. That's right, Venmo isn't just for sending and receiving money digitally. Today's episode is all about cracking the code on how to withdraw money from Venmo, whether you're a seasoned Venmo veteran or a curious newcomer. So, ditch the frustration and get ready to unlock the potential of your Venmo account. The two main Venmo money moves, bank transfer and debit card. Alright, let's get down to brass tacks. There are two primary ways to liberate your Venmo funds, through a bank transfer or by using the Venmo debit card. Each option has its own pros and cons, so we'll break them down to help you decide which method works best for your situation. Method 1. The bank transfer's free but not instant. Think of this as the classic move the money to your bank account approach. It's completely free, which is always a win. However, there's a catch, it's not the fastest option. Venmo uses standard bank transfers, which can take 1 to 3 business days for the money to appear in your account. So, if you need the cash right now, this might not be your best bet. Here's how to make a bank transfer on the Venmo app. Tap on the U tab in the bottom right corner. Under your balance, select Transfer to Bank. Choose the amount you want to withdraw. Pick the bank account you want to transfer the money to. Make sure it's a verified account for a smoother transaction. Select 1 to 3 business days. This is the free option, remember? Double-check the details and hit Transfer. Method 2. The Venmo debit card, speedy but with a fee. Want your Venmo funds faster? That's where the Venmo debit card swoops in. This handy little card works just like any other debit card, allowing you to withdraw cash from ATMs or make purchases anywhere MasterCard is accepted. Plus, you can even get cash back at some stores. The downside? There's a 1.75% fee associated with instant transfers to your debit card, with a minimum of 25 cents and a maximum of $25. So, for smaller amounts, the bank transfer might be the better choice. Here's how to use your Venmo debit card for withdrawal. Make sure you have a Venmo debit card. If you don't, you can order one through the app. Locate an ATM that displays the MasterCard, Pulse, or Cirrus logos. Insert your card and enter your PIN. Select Withdrawal and choose the amount you want. Remember, there might be additional ATM fees depending on the network used. Bonus tip, check for MoneyPass ATMs. If you're using your Venmo debit card for ATM withdrawals, keep an eye out for MoneyPass ATMs. These ATMs don't charge any additional fees for Venmo card withdrawals, saving you some extra cash. You can find MoneyPass ATM locations through the Venmo app or by searching online. Deciding which method is right for you. So, bank transfer or Venmo debit card? The answer depends on your needs. If you need the money ASAP and are willing to pay a small fee, the Venmo debit card is the way to go. But if you can wait a few days and want to avoid fees altogether, a bank transfer is your best bet. Beyond the basics, security and other considerations. Before we wrap things up, let's touch on a few other important points. Security is always paramount, so make sure you're using a strong PIN for your Venmo debit card and keeping your login credentials secure. Also, be mindful of daily withdrawal limits that might be in place with Venmo or your bank.